Welcome. If you want to enable or disable Google Feed on your home screen in Samsung Galaxy A52s, at first you have to click and hold screen, go for the settings, and you will be able to find, sorry guys, not here, we have to click and hold home screen and then swipe on the left. And here we'll be able to enable or disable this feature. Whoa, I just misclicked probably. Here. As you can see right now, the Google Discover, the Google Feed, or the Google News, however you call it, appears on the screen right now. And if you want to get rid of that, just make it like that. And there it is. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.